Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. Nothing Phone 1 is one of the most hyped phone due to its back design. In this video I am going to unbox a transparent back case for Nothing Phone 1. I bought this product from Flipkart for around 200 rupees. It comes in a simple plastic cover with foam and a paper. It is fully transparent and made up of silicone. It has grip on the sides and camera protection on the back. Let's put the case on the phone. It may become yellowish over time. It is a slim case which fits perfect and looks good. That's all. Thanks for watching.